Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do some potato stamping art. Let's go!
First, we need some potatoes. For this project, we will be using 2. We can cut each potato into half, and then we can either cut a design or use a cookie cutter to get the shape that we need. All done! You will need help from your mom or dad. We are going to put some paint on the palette. For the first one, we will use blue. Let's mix some water. We have a moon. Let's paint the blue onto the moon. And stars. You can print it anywhere you want, even out of the paper. Nice! Let's try the next one. This potato is cut like a leaf. Let's see how it looks. Let's put some paint. We will get some brown, so it looks like dried leaves. You might want to wash off the paint on the potato if you want to change the color. Let's try some yellow this time. Wash it up. Why don't we use some dark brown? Wow, this looks really nice! Finally, we will use the crown and the heart for the next piece. Let's print it with a pattern. This activity can help young kids learn about recurring patterns.